Hello students, today my topic is trigonometric ratios of allied angles. What are allied angles here? See, n pi by 2 plus theta, comma n pi by 2 minus theta. N belongs to Z and theta 0 less than or equal to theta less than pi by 2 are called allied angles or relative angles here. N pi by 2 plus theta, n pi by 2 minus theta, n belongs to Z, 0 less than or equal to theta less than pi by 2. Theta is here acute angle which lies in the first quadrant. So now first of all we are going to find out up to 360 degrees, 0 to 360, some of the allied angles are there here. They are 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Similarly 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Next 270 plus theta, 270 minus 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. For these allied angles, we are finding trigonometric ratios of these allied angles. See here, you have to remember one of the concept in this. These are 90 and 270 along with the vertical line here. These two are in along with horizontal line. So in the case of 90 and 270, so the trigonometric ratios are changed here. See 90, for example, in the case of 90 plus or minus theta, comma 270 plus or minus theta, when you apply trigonometric ratios, sine 90 plus or minus theta becomes plus or minus cos theta. Sine changes to cos. Next, cos 90 plus or minus theta becomes plus or minus sine theta. Next, tan 90 plus or minus theta becomes plus or minus cot theta. Next, cot 90 plus or minus theta becomes plus or minus tan theta. Similarly, secant 90 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus secant theta. In the case of 90 plus or minus 270 along with our vertical line here, you remember like that, and this becomes 90 plus or minus, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant. Otherwise you can remember like this. This is what is the multiple of 90? 1 into 90, 1 is odd. Similarly here 270 can written as in terms of 90, 3 into 90, so 1 into 90 plus or minus theta. Here 1 is odd number. And more, here 270 plus or minus theta can be written as 3 into 90 plus or minus theta, where 3 is odd number. You can remember like this also. When integral multiple here odd, so odd integral multiple is given for 90, means trigonometric ratios are changes. Sine cos, cos sine, tan cot, cot tan, secant cosecant, cosecant secant. Now we are discussing remaining angles 360 and 180. In the case of 360 and 180, means 360 plus or minus theta. Next 180 plus or minus theta. There is no change in the ratios. Sine remains sine, cos remains cos. All 6 ratios doesn't change. As it is, we have to write sine 360 plus or minus theta becomes again sine plus or minus sine theta. Now cos 360 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus cos theta. tan 360 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus tan theta. Cot 360 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus cot theta. Next, secant 360 plus or minus theta equal to plus or minus secant theta. Cosecant 360 plus or minus theta equals to plus or minus cosecant theta. Here next, in the case of 180 also same, sign changes to same, sin is sin, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, secant is secant, cosecant is cosecant. Now one more important point here, in the RHS side we have to decide sign also, whether it is getting either plus sign or minus sign. Sign is depends on the given angle lies in the quadrant. The given angle lies in which quadrant, that is important. For example, 90 plus theta given. Where is 90 plus theta? 90 plus theta is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what are positive signs here? Sin and cosecant are positive, remaining 4 are negative. You know already, using how to remember the signs of the trigonometric ratios means using this phrase, all silver tea cups. Here all ratios are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, silver means S stands for sin, sin reciprocal is cosecant. These two positive, remaining all are negative. In T means T stands for tan. T, tan, tan reciprocal cot. These two positive, remaining 4 ratios are negative. Similarly, here in the theta is in one fourth quadrant, the given angle. So C, cups, C means here cos, cos reciprocal secant. These two are positive, remaining 4 ratios are negative. So we have to decide signs of RHS depends on the given angle lies in which quadrant, that is important. So total 4 quadrants here. So using all silver tea cups we can apply signs, and using this table we can easily find out trigonometric ratios of allied angles. I said once again, in the case of 90 to 70, trigonometric ratios are changes: sin, cos, cos, sin, tan, cot, cot, tan, cosecant, secant, secant, cosecant. In the case of 360 and 180, along with horizontal line, otherwise they are odd multiple here, even